Lexus built its empire on silence, strength, and smoothness. But what if I told you some of their engines quietly chipped away at that legacy? Today we're exposing the 3 Lexus engines you should avoid and the 4 powerhouses that deserve a place in your garage. The last one? A mechanical masterpiece that helped launch the entire brand. Number 3. 2 AZFX-E, the Hybrid Mirage. When Lexus pushed deeper into hybrid territory, the idea sounded perfect on paper. Owners expected the familiar Lexus calm mixed with better fuel economy. Yet, the 2 AZFX-E inside the ES300H and the HS250H turned out to be a different story. This engine behaved like a marathon runner with bad knees. It could keep going and it could stay efficient, but it always felt like something inside it was straining. Early on, many drivers never suspected a thing. These hybrids were quiet, smooth, and easy to trust. However, as miles piled on, problems began to show up in ways Lexus owners were not used to. The first sign was often rising oil consumption. Some owners had to top off their oil between service intervals. At first, they blamed themselves, but eventually the pattern became too common to ignore. The next blow came from head gasket failures on higher mileage engines. The trouble would hide for years. Then one morning the car would start running rough or pushing coolant where it did not belong. It caught older owners off guard because Lexus had trained them to expect trouble-free engines that aged gracefully. Short trips made everything worse. Because hybrids often shut their engines off and on throughout the day, the constant heat cycles wore the weak points even faster. Drivers doing only city errands noticed it the most. Each cold start chipped away at the already sensitive sealing surfaces. Even though the car still felt refined inside, the engine beneath it was slowly working against itself. And the frustrating part was that the cars remained quiet and composed while the engine was heading toward a major repair. Although the 2 AZFX-E offered great efficiency, it came with fragility that simply did not fit the Lexus brand. It is one of those engines that teaches you that smooth does not always mean strong. Number 2. 1-YAR FSE and 2-YAR FSE, the gentle backstabber. As we move to the next engine, the story becomes even more surprising because it involves the LS. This is the car that built Lexus. It showed the world that a luxury sedan could be silent, comfortable, and reliable at the same time. So when Lexus introduced the 1-UR FSE and 2-UR FSE in the LS460, LS600H, and GS460, the goal was to take that signature smoothness into the modern era. At first, the engines delivered that familiar, refined character. They were quiet, powerful, and perfect for long highway drives. However, trouble began to show up once direct injection took center stage. Unlike the older Lexus 5.8s that seemed to last forever, these engines started to age in ways owners had never seen before. Carbon buildup inside the intake ports became a recurring problem. Because the fuel never washed over the valves like older port injection engines, deposits collected faster than expected. As a result, performance dropped, idle quality suffered, and the engines felt like they were losing their edge long before their time. Then came one of the more painful issues, which was the valve spring failures. A broken valve spring could leave the car stranded and could lead to expensive repairs. This shocked longtime Lexus owners who bought these sedans specifically to avoid the unpredictable issues found in German luxury cars. Repair bills matched the kind they were hoping to escape, and many older drivers were disappointed by how these engines held up compared to legendary predecessors like the 1UZ and 3UZ. Even though the LS remained a beautiful car to ride in, the engines themselves did not hold on to the bulletproof reputation Lexus had earned. It felt like the pursuit of modern technology overtook the brand's old-school reliability formula. These engines were still smooth, but they were not the long-term companions many expected. Number 1. 4GRFSE, the elegant underachiever. Now we come to the 4GRFSE and the IS250, and this one is a real mystery. On paper, the IS250 seemed like the perfect compact luxury sedan. It had the right looks, the right size, and the Lexus badge that promised durability. Yet, once owners put it into daily use, the truth surfaced. The 4GRFSE never lived up to what people expected from a Lexus engine. It struggled to make enough power, and many drivers felt the car was slow even in normal traffic. Mechanics often joked that the engine drove like it was tired right from the factory. It just never woke up or delivered the energy people hoped for. The real disappointment came from the same problem that troubled the bigger UR engines, which was carbon buildup. Because this engine used direct injection only, the intake valves collected heavy deposits. Over time, the car developed rough cold starts, shaking idle and sluggish response. Owners would take their cars in expecting a simple fix, only to learn that the cure was an expensive cleaning job that had to be repeated as the miles increased. On top of that, injector issues made things worse. The injectors on this engine cost more than most owners expected, and when they malfunctioned, the car ran poorly and left drivers with bills that felt unfair for a small V6. The IS250 looked like a winner, yet the Ford GR FSE turned into one of the most criticized Lexus engines sold in the US. It lacked power, it suffered from buildup, and it aged out quickly unless owners put in constant maintenance. Many enthusiasts rank it as the worst Lexus engine of all, not because it explodes or fails dramatically, but because it never lived up to what Lexus promised. It delivered disappointment instead of enjoyment. For every Lexus engine that stumbled, there's another that proved why this brand earned its reputation for quiet strength and long-term reliability. So, now let's shift from the problem children to the powerhouses and break down the 4 Lexus engines you can trust with every mile ahead. Number 4. 2GR FKS 3.5 liters V6. The 2GR FKS became the quiet hero of modern Lexus models because it never tried to show off. It simply did its job every single day without drawing attention. When this engine arrived, many owners still remembered the older 3.5 V6 variants that were sometimes suffocated by invisible gunk or oil line issues. However, Lexus went back to the drawing board and strengthened the design in smart ways. They added both port and direct injection, which kept the intake valves clean and restored the long-term reliability people expected. They improved cooling, updated timing components, and smoothed the power delivery so the engine felt confident at every speed. As a result, this V6 became the dependable heart of many Lexus vehicles. It offered quiet strength, which older drivers especially appreciate because they want their car to feel steady and predictable. In real-world use, the 2GR FKS earned its reputation by being almost invisible. It did not vibrate. It did not make odd noises. It did not surprise owners with sudden failures. It simply ran and it kept running. Many mechanics even joke that this engine keeps their shops empty because it refuses to create work for them. Families love it because it has enough power for highway passing. Commuters love it because it sips fuel without feeling weak. Older drivers love it because the maintenance is simple and the engine ages gracefully. It is the kind of engine you forget about because it never bothers you. When an engine can reach high mileage with only routine service, you know it was built with care. That is why the 2GR FKS is considered one of the best modern Lexus engines. It blends power, efficiency, and long-term reliability in a way that feels effortless. Number 3. 3URFE 5.7-liter V8. As we move into bigger engines, the 3URFE stands out as a heavyweight boxer that never gets tired. This 5.7-liter V8 powers Lexus trucks and SUVs, and from the first moment you hear it, you know it was built for real work. It has the kind of deep strength that feels steady rather than wild. It can pull heavy loads. It can climb steep grades. It can survive harsh climates and long road trips without breaking a sweat. Owners of the LX and the Land Cruiser often say the same thing. The engine never complains. It simply gives you power whenever you ask for it. The stories behind this engine make its reputation even stronger. Many owners have crossed 300,000 miles with nothing more than routine oil changes, spark plugs, and belts. Some have pushed well past that number, traveling through mountains, deserts, and back roads while towing trailers or hauling families. The 3URFE feels overbuilt in the best way possible. Everything inside it looks like it was designed to handle stress without wearing out. Even when you push it, the engine stays calm and predictable. That is rare in modern engines, especially ones that make this much torque. The only complaint you hear about the 3URFE is fuel consumption. It drinks gas, and it drinks a lot of it. Yet owners always shrug because they know the engine will never leave them stranded. When you drive a truck or SUV that weighs this much and performs this well, you expect a thirsty engine. And when that engine rewards you with unmatched durability, the trade is more than fair. This V8 is trusted by people who depend on their vehicle for travel, towing, or work. It is built for punishment, and it never resists. It simply keeps going. Number 2. 3UZFE 4.3 liters V8. With the next engine, the tone shifts from power to elegance. The 3UZFE represents Lexus during its golden age. It is a smooth and graceful V8 that feels like it was crafted rather than assembled. When you turn the key, the engine settles into a steady rhythm that feels expensive, calm, and controlled. It does not rush. It does not strain. It simply moves the car forward with a gentle surge of power. That is why so many LS430 owners kept their cars for over 15 years. The 3UZ-FE never gave them a reason to move on. When an engine feels this good and ages this well, it becomes part of the family. The beauty of the 3UZ-FE comes from balance. It produces enough power to make the LS feel quick, but it is never aggressive. It runs quietly and consistently. It stays cool. It rarely leaks. It responds to regular maintenance like a loyal companion. Even at high mileage, the engine keeps its composure. Some owners describe it as the perfect blend of Japanese craftsmanship and old-school engineering. It avoids complexity and focuses on longevity. You can feel that mindset each time you press the throttle. When you look at reliability records, you see why this engine is praised so often. Failures are rare, repair costs are mild, stress levels stay low because the engine almost never surprises you. It was built during a time when Lexus wanted to prove itself by over-delivering. As a result, the 3UZ-FE became the gentleman's V8. It suited mature drivers who valued refinement and quiet strength. It still stands as proof that a luxury engine can be simple and beautifully made without sacrificing performance. Number 1. 1UZ-FE 4.0-liter V8. Now we reach the engine that changed everything. The 1UZ-FE did not just power a car, it introduced Lexus to the world. When this engine arrived in the early LS400, it stunned the industry because it was far more advanced, smoother, and stronger than anyone expected. Toyota engineers built it with the intention of embarrassing the German luxury brands. They used forged internals. They used tight tolerances. They tested it relentlessly. They wanted an engine that could run at high RPM for hours without wearing out. The result was a V8 that feels almost immortal. Even today, you can walk through junkyards and find 1UZ-FE engines still running in wrecked cars. The bodies fall apart long before the engine gives up. Some engines have broken odometers because they surpass the mechanical limits. Many have passed 500,000 miles with only basic maintenance. The 1UZ-FE runs with a silky smoothness that feels impossible for an engine of its age. It does not shake. It does not make harsh noises. It idles like a luxury watch. It revs like it has nothing to lose. Mechanics love it because it never asks for anything complicated. It does not clog up. It does not develop strange electronic issues. It simply ages with dignity. That is why so many enthusiasts call it the engine that will outlive you. It is the foundation of the Lexus reputation. Without the 1UZ-FE, Lexus might never have become the brand it is today. It is not just a good engine, it is a legend. So, what have we learned? Even Lexus, the master of smooth, stumbled when it traded reliability for innovation. But when they got it right, they built engines that outlive their owners. If you're looking for a power plant that won't betray your trust, stick with the legends we covered here. And hey, if this saved you from a mechanical mistake, hit subscribe and share it with someone eyeing a Lexus. This is Vroom Diagnosis. Drive smart.